One way to create complex shape is by combining several shapes to form a new shape. This method is called Boolean. But before we use Boolean, first we need to learn how to attach and detach shapes. If, for example, I have this circle and rectangle in here, which are different objects, we can attach them so they belong to a single object. To do that, first select one of them, for example the rectangle, and convert it to editable spline object, and choose Attach, and select the circle. Now these splines belong to one object. If, for example, you want to detach a spline, first go to Spline mode, select, for example, the circle spline, and choose Detach in here. Because we're actually creating new object from detach process, 3ds Max will ask for the name of the new object. For now, I'm just going to cancel it and move on to discuss Boolean operation. Boolean operation works like this. A united with B, so it will be like this. A subtract by B, so it become like this. Unless A intersect with B, so it become like this. Okay, now to determine which one is the A spline and which one is the B spline in Boolean operation is very important. The spline that is going to be the A should be selected first, and then select the operation you want to do, whether it is addition, subtraction, or intersection. After you choose, for example, subtraction, then select the Boolean button. When this button is active like this, we need to click on any spline that is going to be the B object. And now Boolean operation is finished, and we can see the result of it on our object. One thing to keep in mind is that Boolean works on closed splines. So be sure to check this first before doing any Boolean operation on splines objects. You can use the connect function to close open splines. Or you can also click this close button to create closed spline automatically.